Today's word is pensive. What does pensive mean? It means thinking deeply and quietly about something serious. Now, let's look at few similar words that will help you understand the word pensive better. Thoughtful, reflective, meditative, etc. Now let us see how can we use the word pensive in a sentence. Here is the first sentence. He became so pensive that she didn't like to break into his thought, which means he seemed to be in a deep thought and she did not want to disturb him. Let us take one more example. The woman in the painting has a pensive smile, which means she has a thought behind her smile which reflects a bit of sadness. So that was it for today. Happy learning to you until next time. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.